Alright, hello everybody, hello, welcome to week number 1 of season 13 of LET. This week we are facing our homie Cian and his buyer Munich. Yada yada yada. He has Terra Greninja, which is terrifying. Oh shoot. Um, anyways, yeah. Uh, okay, let me see what he brought. Um, Alright, as far as Terras, he only brought the Greninja, which I expected to either be Terra Water or Terra Stellar. Um, anyways, yeah, okay, cool. Uh, well, what do we want to start with? The most annoying on his team for us will be for him to start with potentially the Decaball to set up webs. He does have webs, by the way, which is annoying because, you know, I don't like dealing with those. So if he tries to lead with that, I wouldn't kill it with this. I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and lead with Larios. If he leads Greninja, he leads Greninja. But I'm gonna go ahead and lead with Larios. If he tries to lead with the Vikavolt, we'll try to deal with that. Let me show you something else. He does something else. But anyways, good luck, have fun to see ya, man. I forgot that this thing is not Terra Preview because I so many clicks at Terra Preview now. That I posted my thing, my Terras, so now he knows what my Terras are. It's fine, it's fine. Yeah, he last leaves with the big ball. Okay. We are gonna leave with the Larios. Latios, Delta versus a Vikavolt. Alright, I'm just gonna drop a Drake on this. I don't think there is a reason to do anything else. If he goes into Ninetales, he goes into Ninetales. Please kill it. So bulky. He's gonna kill me. Yep. Man. What is this thing? 252. A Soul Vest, isn't it? Yep, that has to be a Soul Vested. Alright, what are we going to? Could go into this. He will go into Corviknight, which wouldn't be great for me. I could go into this. This should actually do the trick. So let's go into Mochi Mochi. I wanna see what your answer for this is. I mean, it's good putting much damage on this dang thing because realistically, we don't want him setting up webs if we can avoid it. What would you go in here? You will probably go Corviknight, but that is fine. I'm just gonna Nightshade you because this should put a solid 100 on anything that you go into. But let's see if he's Corviknight. Talks a lot. He goes into this. Okay, this is fine. This is actually pretty okay. Ooh, that is completely HP. Not right now, not right now. Okay, that is fine. Alright, on this we could potentially Parting Shot. He's probably... but we don't have a Latios anymore, so we probably just lose to this team, to be honest. Yeah, let's go ahead and Parting Shot. We had the Parting Shot in King Gambit. I can't answer this right now, I'm sorry. I don't see an item, but I don't think he's Clear Amulet. Alright, so we lower those two, yada yada yada. We do have to go King Gambit though, which is annoying, but it's fine. So we go into the Genghis-Khan, which he can't touch me realistically. As he will probably set up his rocks. He tries to Toxic me. Okay, that's fantastic. Yep, that is fine. He is Black Sludge. Okay, that's good to know. That's good to know. Let's go ahead and set up a Swords Dance on this. He does have the Greninja, which is annoying, but I think we can deal with it. With the Air Balloon, we don't have to fear anything on it. Hopefully he misses the Air Balloon too. That would be amazing. But I doubt he will. Now he probably knows we're the Mayan. That is fine. But man, I'm so sad that Larios couldn't get that kill. King. I don't think you're faster than me. Yeah, you're definitely not faster than me. Go. He's definitely thinking about this. We'll see what happens. He's gonna withdraw. Let's go into Corviknight. I'll be a big fan of that. Sirocco. That is Corviknight. That is a black wing indeed. Yeah. So this should be interesting because I could just go for the +2 thing. This is Corviknight. If you are physically defensive, body press wouldn't kill me, and a cut-on clip will do a lot. I think I'm just gonna go for it, man. Yep. Okay. He is not heavy-duty boots, or he is not what is it called? Rocky helmet, which is good to know. And he's not super defensive. He has some he actually might not be defensive at all. No, he has some defense, but he's not completely defense. That's good to know. We are faster at it. So I'd imagine he also goes Clodsire here. Talks a lot. Yeah. The question is here is, are you gonna Earthquake here? And if you Earthquake, how much do we really care about that? I guess we can find out if you are water absorbed, although there's no reason for you to be water absorbed, to be honest. Let's go ahead and count on Cliff. He should be unaware though. I would imagine he's unaware. He's not unaware. Or he is unaware. It does still seems like a plus Clodsire. I could go into you and just trick you. No, probably not the best idea. Let's go ahead and currently see if we can get a 2 hit KO on this. If he wasn't Black Sludge, maybe. Oh, he's actually gonna go into something else. Okay. Let's go into Greninja. That seems like a Greninja. Nope, he's just gonna give me this. Okay, perfect. Alright. Great. We don't have to worry about the webs. That's good, that's good. And we're in a one-on-one situation here. Triceratops. Goes into this. Okay. Gouging Fire versus King Gambit versus a Gouging Fire. Assuming that you are the heavy duty boots, if I Terra Water, you don't do anything to me. So in theory, I could Terra Water here and Swords Dance, right? I think that's what we're gonna do. Let's go ahead and Terra Water and Swords Dance. And the only reason why I'm doing that is because I'm afraid that he could be the bulging move, and I don't want to get burned. If he attacks me, he attacks me. All right. He's just gonna hit crush. We should take that, no problem. Yep. Not a problem at all. Another Swords Dance for our King Gambit. And now we are +4 attack. Should destroy the Gouging Fire unless it's bulky. So I guess let's go for it. Triceratops. Interesting name. We're giving up on the Terra on the Dunsparce to do this, but that is okay, I think. But we will see what happens. We will see what happens. Give me the Corby Knight. I would love if you give me the Corby Knight. Right now. He's just gonna Dragon Claw. We take it. Okay. We do kill it with the freaking thing though, which is fantastic. We'll take it every day. Greninja shouldn't enjoy a +4 Sucker Punch. Unfortunately, we don't one-shot it, but it shouldn't enjoy it. Which is good enough, I guess. Kigami doing honest work in here. Yaojin Fire. Saiso. Yeah, okay. I'm just gonna Sucker Punch you. I don't think there is a reason to do anything else in here. You'll probably lead the hit and kill me back, but it's fine, I guess. I think. Yeah, unfortunate. He's gonna Dark Pulse. That's kill me. And we're gonna find out if you are Battle Bone right now. You are Battle Bone, because you just killed me. Yeah, and he gets a bunch of increases, which is okay. Right. He is Life Orb. Okay, that's good to know. That's good to know. So if I go into you, he is gonna Dark Pulse, kill itself. If he doesn't flinch me, I should be fine. Yeah, let's go into Quincy. Alright. My Gastrodon versus Greninja. Battle Bone, Life for a +1. Should always take this hit. What is your answer to this? Is the thing, right? So let's go for the spike on this. Oh, I forgot that he could Terra. Fudge. Stellar? Oh, he's Terra Grass. Okay. Maybe I should have scouted for that. Oh well. He probably kills me with the Grass Knot now. I'll just Terra Blast. Okay. That's fine. We're both gonna die here. Yep. Okay. That's fine. You should go down, right? Thank God, dude. Okay. Bye-bye, Greninja. Wow, this is a game of sacks for the most part. We're gonna go Technoman. Kashimiro. He goes into this. Okay. I think I just got to trick you, right? Although immediately I could just go into you. If he kills me, I can start trying to set up. I'm gonna trick. Right. He gets a Choice Scarf. I get a Light Clay. He's going to set up an Oral Bell. That works for me. Okay. Right. So I can go into this. If I trick again. I'm gonna trick again. I think he's gonna switch out. Yeah. I don't mind taking his Black Sludge just because he's gonna give me whatever this thing has. Okay, well you end up with no item, I guess. Which works for me. I take the heavy duty boots, I suppose. Like lefties. I get lefties. That's cool. That's very cool. Let's go into Mochi. Mm-hmm. Hello. Just returns out, that's fine. The Clodsire is gonna be so annoying. Talks a lot, yeah. Right. He hasn't used any recovers yet, so that's something we do have to note. Right. Let's go ahead and Nightshade, I guess. I'll try to stall out these, Oh, that's not good. That's really not good. Yeah, that's super bad. Mm-hmm. Mm. Alright. Let's just try to do this, I guess. Mm-hmm. He's just gonna earthquake. Fudge. Fudge, fudge, fudge. Snow is gone, so the likely should be gone now. Right. Let's go another one. He has air recovers. That's something we need to remember. 7 recovers. Alright, this is gonna be a stall war, unfortunately, but that's fine. Mm-hmm. Another curse. Yep. Right. Let's go ahead and parting shot, I guess. Yeah, I knew this Pokemon was going to be a problem. We're gonna sit here and think, I guess, for a minute. Let's sign up Technoman. Gonna set up a curse. Valiant. Clodsire. How much are you at? You are at +2 attack. If you have Poison Jab, you will kill me. So let's go into Mochi Mochi. I wanna see if you have Poison Jab. You don't have Poison Jab, what am I saying? You have Curse, Toxic, Recover, and whatnot. It's gonna aircraft, yeah. Okay, that sucks. Alright. Earthquake. Yeah, it doesn't kill. Alright, let's go ahead and recover. I wanna see what you do. He's just gonna curse again. I got +3. He's doing nasty work, but he's not killing me. Okay. Mm-hmm. At least he shouldn't with any kind of investment. let's go ahead and parting shot. Right. Man, this Pokemon is annoying. Back into Valiant. Just gonna Earthquake. Oh, we only have one shot at this. Please just Earthquake Xian, please just Earthquake Xian, please just Earthquake Xian, please just Earthquake Xian. Thank you! Oh my god! That is so big! Oh my god, that is so big! Holy cow! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Oh my god, that is so huge! That is so huge, dude. Okay. Okay. We're going to this. Fudge, man. We bailed out on that one. So big. Okay, Corviknight. Corviknight. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's go into the Dunsparce. He goes into Zoroka. Okay, that's fine. I had to set up versus this. I don't have a choice. So let's go ahead. If you start setting up on me as well, then that will be annoying. But there's nothing else we can do. He is that. Okay, that's fine. You're gonna coil. Right. Right. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna body slam. He's just gonna kill him for it. Fair enough. That is his play for sure. Please. Nope. We don't get it. That is quite unfortunate. Let's go for it again. He's gonna roost. Okay. Right. So he roosts. I body slam. Please give me a paralysis. Dude, that is a 60% paralysis. London. That is a 60% paralysis, man. Come on. Do I coil again? Do I coil again? Man, Terraing is costing me so much right now. I think so. I think I just coil. One thing, I don't know if I leave another one after I coil. Right. Yep. Not having rules right now is costing me so much though. Do leave it. I don't leave another one though, for sure. Come on. Thank you. And at this point, we can try to go for the shenanigans. I think I kind of need to go for it at this point, right? As sucky as this is, and it is sucky. Yep. I'm sorry, Sia, man, but that's just the Dunsparce for you, dude. Yeah, that's just how this works. That's just how this works. It's a setting headbutt. Critical hit. Oh my goodness. And he gets flinched. Oh my goodness, dude. Now I might be able to go for another body slam. How much am I at? I'm a plus, whatever. Yeah, that really sucks for him. I just gotta go for the dirty tactics, dude. Yep. Oh man, this game, dude. I did not like this matchup, and Jesus Christ. We go for the head. We go for the body slam here. Yep. Bye bye, Sirocco, dude. Yeah. This thing was supposed to be Terra Electric for this, but the Terra Water was just so good. Holy cow. Okay. I don't know if the 90 kills us, but oh, I really don't know actually. I'm just gonna go for the body slam. There's no other play. Blizzard. It does not kill us. It does not freeze us though, thank God. We do get the paralysis. He's going to be faster than me though. That much I know. Just because his choice scarf. He's a 19 in his choice scarf. That's hilarious. We just go for the body slam though. He is gonna get the blizzard off. Should be faster than my thing though, I believe. But we still go mochi mochi. And we do go for the magic mission. He is faster than us. To be fair, we deserve that, dude. Yeah. Absolutely, we deserve that. I'm not gonna complain. It sucks, but I'm not gonna complain. Yep. Still frozen. Ah, that is so painful. That is so painful. Wow, I deserve that. Dude, I deserve that. What a freaking game. What a freaking game, dude. Alright, well, thank you all for watching. It sucks to begin the season like that, but hey, I think that was my worst matchup, to be honest with you. Maybe I could have played better, but it is what it is. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you next week. Peace out.